Very good morning, students. Last class we have studied about fraction, that is definition of fraction and types of fraction. Now we have to go for next topic, that is comparison of fraction. We have to revise this topic, comparison and fraction. So how will compare given two fraction or three fraction, means how to arrange ascending order or descending order of the given 2 or 3, 4, 5 fraction like that. So in this, first of all I will explain this type of question with comparison between two fraction. Means in this question either you can make denominator same, means convert into like fraction, then you have to compare, otherwise no, because here denominator is 13 and here denominator is 9. So for that another process is also is there. If you want, you can cross multiply, then it will easily you can find which is greater and which is less. So just you cross multiply here, means this denominator will multiply to this numerator and this denominator will multiply by this numerator. So just make arrow like this and put value like this, 4 into 9, and just you put here 2 into 13. Okay, now 9 4 ja 36 and 13 2 ja 26. Just you see here 36 is greater than 26. From here you can identify, it means 4 upon 13 is greater than 2 upon 9. So finally we have to put here 4 upon 13 is greater than 2 upon 9. So this is the final answer. After then just you compare, we have to compare these two fraction. This side will come symbol like this or this side this symbol. So either you can, it may be equivalent fraction also. So first of all you have to, again main process is cross multiplication. Just you cross multiply here 2 into 9. So just you put here 2 into 9 and 3 into 7. So 2 into 9 is 18 and 3 into 7 is 21. So just you see here in this side RHS side is greater than LHS side, means 21 is greater than 18. So 3 upon 9 is greater than 27. So lastly you have to write down conclusion, 2 upon 7 is less than 3 upon 9. So this is the final our answer. After then third part is 5 upon 6 and 15 upon 18. So we have to make comparison, you have to compare here. So for that again cross multiply this side and this side. So again 5 into 18 and 6 into 15. So 5 into 18 means 90 and 6 into 15 is 90. Both are equal. Just you see here in this question both are equal. So we have to put here symbol like this. 5 upon 6 is equal to 15 upon 18. So both are equivalent fraction. So sometimes equivalent fraction will come, sometimes LHS side less than or RHS side greater than, like that. So first of all you have to, this type of question you have to compare, then it will take less time and easily you will get the answer. After then we have to comparison between three fractions, means we have to arrange ascending order or maybe descending order. Ascending order means the smallest to greatest, means first of all we have to find in these three rational numbers, in these three fraction which is smallest, and after then we will go next. So in this question we have to find LCM of denominator, means first of all make fraction in like fraction. Means denominator should be same for all the fractions. In that case we have to find LCM first of all. So if you will find LCM 8, 12, 16, so just you find by 2, 4 and then 6 here will come 8, after then 2, then 3, 4, next 2, 1, 3, 2, then 2, 1, 3, 1, next 3, 1, 1, 1. Now multiply, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 20, 16 3 ja 48. So LCM is 48. LCM is equal to 48. Now we have to make denominator here 48. So 5 upon 8 is there. So we have to multiply by 6. Then it will come 48. Means 5 6 are 30. 13 upon 48. Next 7 upon 12 means we have to multiply by 4. So multiply by 4. 28 upon 48. After then 9 upon 16. Then we have to multiply by 3. 3. So 9 3 is 27 upon 48. Just you see here. Now each fraction has same denominator, means each fraction is a like fraction. So now we can identify which is greatest and which is the smallest, and we can arrange in ascending order. So just you see here, this one is smallest. So first position of this, second position of this, and this one is third position. So 9 upon 16 will come first. 9 upon 16 is less than 7 upon 12 is less than 5 upon 8. So this is the correct order of ascending order. Okay, this type of you have to do. If sometimes descending order will come, just this process will be do, but it will be decreasing. First of all we will write means greatest to a smallest. Okay, now we have to go for next our topic, that is addition and subtraction of fraction. Next topic is addition and subtraction of fraction. We have revised definition of fraction and then types of fraction and comparison of fraction. Now we have to revise addition and subtraction of fraction. Means how we will add 2 fraction or 3 fraction, or how we will subtract. So first topic is addition of fraction. Addition of fractions. So just you see here, add the following. Add the followings. First part, 3 upon 7 plus 9 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7, like this. Just you see here, denominator is same, means all are like fraction. So we will not do anything, just directly we will add numerator, that's it. So 3 plus 9, 13, sorry 12 plus 1, 13. So answer is 13 upon 7. So this is the answer. Just you see here, numerator is greater than denominator, so we will convert into mixed fraction. So it will come like this, 1 6 upon 7. If you will divide by 7 to 13, you will get 1 7, then it will come 6. So quotient is 1, that's why I came here 1, and remainder is 6. So numerator is 6 and upon 7. So after then second part, 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 12 plus 6 upon 16. So this type of fraction will come means unlike fraction. These are the unlike fraction. So how we will add this? We will not add directly. For that we have to take LCM again. We have to convert like fraction, then we have to add. Okay. If like fraction is not given, then in this case we have to take LCM of denominator. So just you find LCM of 8, 12 and 16, you will get 48. Okay. So LCM of 8, 12, 16 will come 48. So I have written 48. After then we have to make denominator same. So in this case, in 8 table 48 will come 6 times. So we have to multiply by 6 here. After then in 12 table 48 will come 4 times. We have to multiply by 4. Then 16 3 ja 48. So 3 times. So we have to multiply by 3. After then just you multiply 3 6 ja 18 plus 1 4 ja 4 plus 6 3 ja 18. Now we have to add lastly. So 18 plus 4, 22 will come, 22 plus 18, 40 will come, 40 upon 48. So this is the final addition of this whole 3 fraction. Now after then, if it is cancellation is there, so we have to cancel. So it will cancel by 4 ja, 10 4 ja, and this one is 12 4 ja, Again we can cancel out by 2. So 5 2 ja and 6 2 ja. So final answer is 5 upon 6. So this is the final answer. Like that you have to do in the respective question. Now we have to know about subtraction of fraction, means how to subtract two fraction. Next our topic is subtraction of fraction. Subtraction means just next question is subtract the following. Subtract the following means first subtract 5 upon 3 from 7 upon 3. So just you see here both fraction are like fraction because denominator is same. So in this case we will not take any LCM, just directly, but first of all you have to arrange in as a subtraction form. Means here given question is we have to subtract this fraction from this fraction, means we have to write on first this one. So 7 upon 3 minus 5 upon 3. Okay, now you subtract directly 7 minus 5, you will get 2 upon 3. So this is the answer. Now second part is question like this. Subtract 9 upon 11 from 7 upon 2, like this. Just you see here denominator is different, means it is unlike fraction. So for that first of all you have to arrange, means 7 upon 2 minus 9 upon 11. Now we have to take LCM of denominators because it is unlike fraction. So just you take LCM will be 22 will come. So LCM is 22. After then just you make denominator same. So 2 in 2 table 22 will come 11 times. We have to multiply by 11 here, and in 11 table 2 times, so we have to multiply by 2 here. Now you have to multiply 7 into 11, 77 will come, and minus 9 into 2, 18 will come. Now we have to subtract 77 minus 18. So how much will come? This one 17 minus 8, 19 will come, 9 will come. After then here 6 minus 1, 5, 59 upon 22. Now convert into mixed fraction, so it will come, if you will divide by 22 to 59, you will get 22 2 is 44. Now we will subtract 5 and 1, so it will come 2 whole, just write down here 2 whole 15 upon 22. Okay, means if numerator is greater than denominator, then we have to convert into mixed fraction. Okay, so these are the process for addition, and this one is the process for subtraction of two fractions. So like that we have to do like in the exercise. That's all.